Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to take you through Zotero. Number one, how to install the Zotero into your PC, and also how to link your Zotero to your Word for the purpose of citation and referencing. Having done that, I will take you through on how to add and edit citation, how to add and edit bibliography, and lastly, how to add and edit a reference. So step number one, open on their site, which is zotero.org. Then you download you're supposed to download this one, Zotero 6 for Windows, and Zotero connectors. These are the one. Having done that, install the Zotero onto your PC. After that, after installing, ensure that you link your Zotero to your Word. I'd already shown you on how to link the two. If you look at my previous video, I've done on how to manually install Zotero to Word processor plugin if it's missing in your Word. Okay, I've already done that. As you can see, if you look at my Word, you can see that there is a Zotero here. On the menu bar, we have the file, home, insert, page, references, mailing, review, view, and lastly the Zotero. So assuming that this is the document that you want to work on. Number one, let's start with the citation. So you'll click the Zotero. So assuming that you want to insert your citation here at that point. So step number one, you have to press the space bar to create a space. So you go to Zotero, then you pick the citation style that you want to use. For my case, I will go for Ruby's 9th edition. Then I'll click OK. Okay, after that, this one will pop up. Then click the classic view. The drop down button will lead to popping up of the classic view. So you click that part. So there are so many. So let me go to my. So these are my books that I've already downloaded and the references that I have. So let's assume that I want to use this one. So step number one, you click the book that you want to use, then you specify the page. Assuming that I want to cite page 40, so I will insert only the page. So you ignore the prefix because it's already here. So you ignore the prefix and the suffix. So just write down the page, then you click OK. So you'll find that it will already appear here, basing on the Ruben style. It's a very simple step, very easy. Okay, on the issues of having done that, I can also add maybe on this part I can add the reference. So for the reference, I will click here and it will automatically appear because it's already been cited on this particular position. It's a very simple process to do. So those are the steps that you do, either to add to edit citation or how to add and edit bibliography. Okay, now the next step is maybe how did I come up with these links? The books, as you can see, this is my library. As you can see, there's a list of books. How did I arrive to that particular point? So what you're supposed to do, if you want maybe to get the reference, so what you need to do, go to the Google Scholar, then you search the specific for specific writer that you want to use. For example, if you look at there is a list, for example, to Ruby and Kids, if this is the keyword, Then these are the pop-up. For example, let me use the to extract the reference from the Google Scholar. So you will directly you press, maybe you can press there. Then on the page that will open, let me see whether there is that button on this one. So it seems that the button is missing here. Okay, let me go. What about this one? For this one, we have after clicking, so you go down and see whether, okay, you download citation. So you can download the citation from this point. So you download, so the citation will definitely be added, on your Zotero. So it's very important that you must ensure that you download the two versions of Zotero. One of them, the one that which will act as the extension on your Google, so that whenever you download it here, it will be linked to the one that you have in your PC. Okay, as you can see, after downloading the citation and you go to your Zotero, you'll find that it has already been pinned there, so you can use it from that point, which is very easy. So those are the steps that you take in order, if you want to add or to edit citation or to add bibliography, and also to download the whole thing. So thank you for taking time to watch my video. If you need any clarification, just write down the question on the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as I get to see your video. Thank you, and bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.